First, Glock 17 was adopted by the Austrian Army in 1982. It was also adopted by Austrian police, and full-scale production commenced in 1986. And in the following years, these new and unusual pistols become one of the most popular handguns due to its advantage and aggressive artillery. It was also adopted by numerous military and law enforcement forces from all over the world. Currently, this pistol is in service with more than 50 countries, and some copies and clones of these pistols are appeared. One of them are Smith & Wesson Sigma. The Sig Sauer P320 pistols was introduced in 2014. It is a further development of the Sig. The Beretta 92 is one of the most popular pistols in the world. It was designed in 1972 in Italy, and it evolved from the earlier Beretta design. Initial production commenced in 1975, and until 1976 a total of 5,000 pistols has been produced. Full-scale production began at 1976. It has been exported to a number of countries, and some countries produce its pistol under license. The other countries produce its copy. A variant of Beretta 92 is a standard issue sidearm in service with the whole US military. Currently, the 92 is an outdated platform, outclassed by most modern pistols. Recently, Beretta released a number of new pistols that are more advanced. However, the model 92 is still widely used by military and law enforcement forces. Currently, the Beretta 92 and its variant are in service with 40 countries. Also, despite its age, it is still very popular among civilian customers. The Sig Sauer P226 evolved from the previous P220 pistols. It was developed in the 1980s and was mainly aimed at the US military requirement for a new sidearm to replace the venerable Colt M1911. The US military trials began in 1982 and were completed in 1984. The Sig Sauer P226 was one of the two pistols that nominally passed all of the technical requirements of this trial. However, eventually it was outperformed by Italian Beretta due to the lower price. The Beretta 92 FS was selected as a winner and adopted by the US military as the M9 in 1985. Even though the Sig Sauer lost this competition, it quickly became one of the most popular service pistols. The CZ75 pistol was developed by Koch brothers at the state-owned CSKA Zbrojovka in the former Czechoslovakia. This pistol was developed for military use and was aimed purely at export market. Production commenced in 1976, and during the first year of production, some 2,000 pistols had made, and this rose in subsequent to over 2,000 pistols, but was still not enough to cope with the demand. By 2007, more than 1 million of these pistols have been produced. Its production still continues and it is constantly being improved. It is in service with more than 20 countries, and it's used by military, police, and special operation force. This pistol was widely copied and cloned. The CZ75 has an appealing design, is reliable, accurate, comfortable to handle and to shoot. It proved to successful and is one of the best pistols in its. The Smith & Wesson MP was developed by Smith & Wesson Company. It first appeared in 2005. As its name suggests, it is intended for military and police scale. However, it is also available for civilian customers. The Military and Police, or MP, name is a trademark of Smith & Wesson Company for the last 80 years or so. Before it was used for the most successful revolver designed by this company. The military and police pistol was adopted by more than 20 countries. However, in most countries, it is used by law enforcement force. It is used by numerous U.S. police departments. Military operators are Iraq, Lebanon, Peru, and Singapore. The 5.7 pistol was designed by a Belgian Fabrique Nationale. Sometimes it is designed as the 5.7 in order to spell initial of the manufacturer. Number in the designation of the pistol also indicated an unusual 5.7mm ammunition, and the main goal was to develop a handgun with good penetration against body armor, yet with reasonable dimension, weight, and recoil. This pistol was first publicly built in 1996. Originally, this pistol was available for military and law enforcement only. The 5.7 was first adopted in 2000 by separate National Guard. Eventually, it became very popular. Currently, the 5.7 is in service with the military and law enforcement force in over 20 countries, including United States, and the civilian version was introduced in 2004. The USP, or Universal Slab-Slide Pistol, or Universal Self-Loading Pistol, is a product of the German Heckler & Koch company. Development of this pistol began at 1989. It evolved from the Heckler & Koch Mk23 pistols. The goal was to develop a new pistol in number of versions that could be suitable for civilian as well as military and police market. It was aimed at civilian customers in the USA, as well as global military and law enforcement market. Production commenced in 1993. A wide variety of versions had been developed, and in 1995 a version of the USP was adopted by the German Army as the P8 as the main sidearm. Currently, the USP is in service with nearly 20 countries. The Beretta PX4 Strom is a further development of the Beretta 8000 Cougar. It is the latest addition to the Beretta's line of semi-automatic pistols. It seems that this pistol was designed to compete with the popular Glock 17. This handgun is mainly aimed at the law enforcement force and commercial customer. Its production commenced in 2004. Currently, the Beretta PX4 is used by law enforcement forces of at least 11 countries, and it is also in service with Venezuela National Guard. Walther P99 was developed for law enforcement force and civil customers. It was designed in the middle of 1990s and production commenced in 1997. This pistol is currently used by more than 10 countries. It is also licensed produced in Poland by Redam Factory and in the United States by Smith & Wesson. However, in both of cases frames are supplied from Germany. The Walther P99 is a strike-fired pistol with a polymer frame and a steel slide. At the time of its introduction, this pistol had a number of unusual features. It was a step forward for the Walther company. The Walther P99 has been adopted by the Finnish Armed Force, Iraqi Army, and a number of law enforcement forces and police departments from all around the world.